Hi, it's Dave from the tech support team here at Aladtec, and we're going to be talking about shared filters that you can now share with other members within the system. Many of you, I'm sure, have used the filter options that we have as functionality throughout the entire system in reporting, schedules, hourly editor, members, reports, and you may have even customized certain elements here and saved them for your own custom views that you have listed here. Well, now what we can do with a simple check of a box is share those views with all the other members in the system that can see the exact same information. This is going to allow you to exactly do this, save you the time of creating the same view over multiple members, and it gives them the convenience of seeing the same information from a same reporting filter set that you have set for everybody else. This will help you in the hourly editor, say, to determine overtime hours, looking at your member database and making sure you have the same set of options there. In your schedules, you can say, show me all the open shifts and share that with everybody. Submitted forms, you can set up a work queue for maybe assistants to work through submitted forms and make sure that they get everything processed correctly. So anywhere in the system that has these filter options, you'll be able to share those views. And let's see how that works. Most people would use these custom views in, say, reporting for payroll, and we're here as Joe Burns, our top-level administrators. So as a top-level administrator, this is where I have the power to do this, where I can edit the schedule of what I'm looking at. And let's be a little specific about it. Let's change some things around here. Let's just go ahead and create a Rocky Road schedule only filter set here. And we'll take off the work group filter there, and we're going to click on Save As here, and we're going to make this our Rocky Road payroll report, if you will. And here's the box right here, share with all members that can view the selected information. So the access levels in the system already knows who those people are, what access they have, and this will automatically share it with those people that can see all the same information of what you can see. And if we save that, now we have three sets of filter options here in our dropdown. We have our system ones by default. We now have our shared ones. These are the ones that are being shared across the board with other members. And then the personal ones. These are still the My filter options for just that person. So in this case, Joe is the top level administrator. But we've shared the Rocky Road payroll. So now if we go and switch our user here and look at it from Steven's point of view, who's a reporting admin, if you will, to see different reports. Now when he goes to his drop down here, he's going to see that same Rocky Road payroll shared filter set, and it brings up the exact same report, and he can go to the appropriate date and time to see the information that he might need for that payroll. Any changes made from the TLA will also translate over to all the other saved filter sets across the board. So if something happened along the way where Joe needs to make sure, and maybe he thought differently and said, you know what, we don't need the Kelly Day on there. Let's just make sure we save that, and it will save that information as the shared filter set across the other links from the other members. It'll automatically update their view perspective as well. So again, this is controlled by your top-level administrators. They're the ones that get to determine which views get shared across the board. And again, this could be from, say, the member database, the filter sets in here, from the schedules, the regular views. Any of these will be the same, would be able to share those across. In the hourly editor is another excellent example where a lot of detail can be set here along the member availability section, things such as calculators, member information. Maybe you're tracking overtime dates and you need to get that updated, and you want your other admins to have the same access to that same information so that they're all looking at the same thing. That's where you're saving those shared views, and we can certainly do that from here. Just to show another example, and if we go to, say, another admin looking at the schedule, Kathy, now she has the access to pull up the same Rocky Road schedule and have that same data listed here in the member availability section. Time clock hours, availability, reports, as I mentioned, all the reports and the reports from your forms will be there as well to share those filter sets across the board. So take a look at that. It's a simple checkbox, and if anybody has any questions, you certainly can call us anytime, 888-749-5550, or email support@aladtec.com, or find us in the help section here. We have a new element here where you can find us online and chat online. You just click on the bubble here in the help, and we'll be able to chat with you online as well. Take a look at those options, and thank you for listening.